Well, I'm back, and it's only been 15 minutes since I did the prior video, and I wanted to share with you a couple of things that I found, which I thought were great. I finally did find an instruction manual and a toolkit, which I thought was really cool. And where was that? That was located in the back pocket of this unit, which is nice to have that because, of course, then you can put the battery charger in there too. And now you have everything you need to go. So that was really good. The other thing I discovered, although I knew about it from the advertising, I just didn't know where it was, is there is, yes, thank you. Okay, is that there's a light. Yes, what's your complaint? Is it that nobody's in the chair? Let's see. Okay. I don't know. Here, I'm gonna disconnect that. Let's take a look at this. Now, removing the battery is not difficult. There's a little switch here. You don't actually have to lift this, but it makes it a little bit easier for me to reach it. And it does require some physical strength to get it, but once you do it, you have the battery and you're set. So I'm going to swap in the original battery that was here when I was using this and plug it back in. Put the chair back in place and sit, and oh, I know what it was telling me is that I don't have the motors engaged. Okay. And as I said, there is a night light, a guide light, so you can kind of see where you're going. I'm, again, getting a little more impressed with this as we go along. So I'm hoping my wife will really like it. I think the only concern she may have is, even on the slow speed, she likes to go really slow until she gets comfortable, but she will get used to it. So, I hope you found this informative, and now that we have the remote, sorry, not the remote, the instruction manual, it's going to be fairly easy to figure out how to get things done and how this works. But on a quick opening, I'm impressed.